Hi everyone and welcome back, and today we will be discussing about how to add a favicon in Shopify. This is really simple. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So what you need to do is simply head over to your online store from your sales channel, click on themes, and once you do that, click on customize. Just wait for a couple of seconds, and on the left side you can see we have this settings icon. Head over to that. We have multiple options in here, so if you want to go with a logo or favicon, you can select that option, upload your image in here related to your logo, and that is going to be making your favicon or logo uploaded and good to go. So make sure to give it a try. We have various other settings as well, and that wraps up our video. That's how you can add your favicon in Shopify, and hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.